Hi, good morning. Today we're going to be reviewing the Greenworks electric lawnmower, 40 volt. No, this is not a sponsored video. This is my own opinion trying out the electric lawnmower. Had gas for many years. It's a 21-inch deck. It runs on only one lithium battery. The second part is for storage. As you can see, this is the storage department and this is the operating battery. The lights indicate on how much it's been charged. So it's at a full charge because all four bars are showing green. This is a safety mechanism where when you pull it out, it shuts off all power, no matter what. So when you need to work underneath the machine and change out the blade, you can safely change out the blade. Just simply push this back in and then the lawnmower will be operational again. On a good charge, you could probably mow on a standard lawn a full yard, which the battery will probably last, give or take, 30 to 40 minutes. It takes 4 hours for a full charge. One battery comes with the lawnmower during purchase and the charger comes with. But if you want a second battery for a bigger lawn, it's sold separately. And the cost for just this battery costs $177. Okay, we're going to talk about the features. There's a safety feature right here. You have to press this first and pull this back. And it will start the lawnmower. But if you pull this back and press the button afterwards, it will not start. The button always has to be pressed first and then pull the lever. You have different speeds. When this is all the way back, it's the slowest speed. When you push it forward, closer to the rabbit, the faster that the self-propelled lawnmower will move on its own. I would say going halfway is plenty fast enough when mowing your own lawn.
Okay.
The Greenworks lawnmower is a single blade. You can find other electric lawnmowers and they come dual blade. But the single blade still does an efficient job of cutting the lawn. Also, if you don't want to bag it, you can discharge it. And if you do want to bag it, you take this off and attach the bagger. So if you want to bag your grass, simply attach it. There you go. You're ready to go and you're ready to pick up grass. We are going to attempt to try to cut at least 4 to 6 inches of grass and see how well the Greenworks 40 volt lawnmower cuts it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.